to another episode of the most inconsistent King as vele nje le podcast angathi besendani bezama or angathi mfana mara ngende yokusucceed wethu kufuna sireconsider ma-career seli-career lesha or something because nabo 10 years singakhiphi episode.
Mamanusho bafana vele akusiyi-career yethu thina King mina nje especially mina bafana kuba ukuthi nje kunento le ngilumako yabona kufuna ngiyikhulume that's why ngisondela empopeni but otherwise nje ngathi King ukuthi sinesitipo asibonwa yabona
inzawo yekuventa
inzawo yekuventa King inzawo ekwakhalive phinzi
la kuba khona stress sakho King like lama majida adlala igolf angisho lama majida ngive bakhuluma nje podcast bathi labanye nama-comedian the niggas have to go to the stage bo-release maba-performa like comedy baya-release yabona bakhipha tonke le tinto mangabe une-material 6 months olangaya stage it's all building up yabona inside him makafika lapha stage is like that coming it's like it's coming.
Kukanjalo bafana but yeah for me I guess ngilokuventa mina King because si-frustrated kakhulu sibantu uyabo lapha nalapha so khona la kufuna sibhoboke khona uyabona nje kunento le yenteke recently ngikusemaphonya mall
yeah ngale ma-taxi
ngale lo Uber driver lo lebambulele lamajita ama-taxi
yeah
uyayibona ukuthi lento King kune-stress letiningi letikhona kune-stress tabosomatekisi letiningi letikhona batikhokhela kulabo Uber nalabo Bolt driver kanti lamajita ayasita nalo mango King ubonile umango lendlela react ngayo ukuthi nalo mango nawo une-stress lesiningi
shothi lento le King ukukhombisa ukuthi bantu ba-frustrated ngakanani wena ungacabanga ukuthi ba-frustrate kakhulu lento yokuthi maybe lama-Bolt athatha ama-customer or something fine ngenye ipart leyo ye-stress sawo lamajita but lokhu kukhombisa the inner stress or maybe the consciousness yalelive ukuthi bantu bakuphi indlala seyingakanani yabona that's why bantu bato-acta extreme it's the same thing lebeyente ngabo-94 ngabonkatha nabo-ANC lemahostel yabona it's a sign of kunenkinga lekhona la veni so the only thing bantu labangayenda it's anger towards one another angathi ngiyibeka kanjani like lo mfaka discover ukuthi inkinga yakhe akusiki ukuthi lo mjita we-e-hailing uthathe ama-customer nyalo ucabanga ukuthi ngiloko because uyabona but le ndlela responda ngayo ngilele kukhombisa kona lapho kunenkinga lenkulu kulelive kunenkinga lenkulu you understand economy lo mjita yedwa nje economy yakhe imali endlini yabona tinkinga khona kungahlangani because King ngicela ukubuda mina kusukela nini like only business lengiyatiko mina King yakhe imali business ema-taxi like i-taxi King yakhe imali kusuka la yena pha yakhe imali uhlala bhalile yinyawo lebenta ukuthi King bafuna ukusimisa emgwacweni netimoto mongabe usigibelile basehlise basibale or bakubophe or whatever kuchamukaphi lokho abasayakhi imali emgwacweni mabaserenkini because erenkini akuyena ukuthi itaxi iphuma igcwele King
iphuma igcwele itaxi King and yathi angathi usamajita ama-taxi atawuthiwani because itaxi nayiphuma erenkini King iphuma igcwele yakhe imali and kufuna wathi nawenta ibhizinisi King ukuthi yini le service offerishako umalini lo ngam-expecta ungabi ngiyabekisa King asengithi mina nginebhizinisi yekubhaka emagwinya uyabona
fire
ngibhaka emagwinya King ngiyawubeka lapha ekoneni la ngithengisa khona ngiyawathengisa kufuna ngathi King ukuthi nangibhaka emagwinya ngidawuhamba ngifikephi uyabona neke ngakhe ama-million ngemagwinya but ngidamakha maybe loyo 300 per day
usuke endlini wathi usibhakede lakho linamali
ngisuke ngathi King but neke thina sesengibona umjita we-bakery soto deliver tinkwa la ngangisebentela ngakhona yabona
siyamvala umjita uyamshisa lo mjita ukuthi why atoletha tinkwa takhe la thina ngidayisa ama-fetam la like dog I really love them sweet I love my bread sweet ngihamba ngithenga lifethi I like my bread dry ngihamba ngithenga singo you understand ene you know ukuthi amajita king anendlela delusional ngayo athini nyalo athi ma-rights awo like la majita e-hailing king ahlukubete ama-rights awo and sekufuna ukuthi ibute ukuthi i-right i-hailing yena-ke or nale-right yalomgibeli, that freedom of choice king. I want this taxi to take me from la mall nale grocer yami iyongibeka straight emnyango endlini. It's a choice, the freedom of choice. Afike lo taxi ngeke ukuthi ufike ngishiye emgwaqweni and I'm 5 kilometers or 6 kilometers away from endlini mangisuka estation lo taxi ngeke angibeke emnyango. Angiyifundi service leyo
King,
king. Service
angifuni
service.
kufuna ngibe
Yeah.
kufuna ngibe sebhasini king ngigonene nemagrosa kani and kufuna ngimele ukuthi kugcwale phela yena kasuke ngingagcwali itaxi yakhe uyabona.
Ngeke king ngeke isuke igcwele itaxi king. Kufuna ngimele isikhathi futhi ngingento isikhathi. 21st century gents like into kufanele be fast.
Angathi but ke ngile frustration king lo mjita akasi competition lo mjita we-Bolt king sigibelile kakhulu nawe Bolt eJozi king and it's in situation sigibele i-Bolt la ineke isite khona itaxi uyabona.
Angeke king ngicela ukubuza ukuthi udosuka kanjani eNangi, udosuka kanjani kodwa ngikuphi la bengikhona khona nyala egcineni. What's this place? eBenoni. Udosuka kanjani eBenoni e-OR Tambo? Udosuka kanjani eBenoni e-OR Tambo? Shuthi kufuna kanjani ufuna ugibele e-Kempton Park. I-Kempton Park ugibele ibus back
to OR uyabona ngile nangile bafuna ukuthi sende yona and then to even get deeper on amlingani uyabona to even get deeper onto that le ma-taxi enda njena abantu labamnyama kuphela uyathi ukuthi bongami la namakhalathi abawendi ke so.
Yeah, that's why kwenteka eJozi king because eJozi king bantu abamnyama ngibo labasemateksi. Angathi ngale Cape Town ngisengaze ngiye Cape Town but maybe Cape Town Mr Mkhanza Mr Van Veg nabantu bana abayi-3-4 uyabona. But vele kwenteka kithi thina abantu abamnyama because eJoburg vele abantu abasebenzisa lokho ngilokho. Bongami la king bahlala ngale Bosentini kuphi basebenzisa ama-Bolt nama-Uber labantu.
So but
sengayibona ivideo yamunye lomhlophe bamkhiphile mibatrajo or
umlomnyama king akhiphe atrabe ngamla
drive la yabona. Ngisengaze ngibone le part leyo yabona but maybe asibeke asimabomu kuze just for ku-avoid ipolitiki mhlawumbe ukuthi abasibaningi labo ngami.
ukuthi abantu abamnyama bayabesaba nje bongamla to be fair and square ku-easy kutargetha wena uyabona wena umnyama than ukuthi ba-targethe ngamla bayabesaba bongamla king bongamla basifaka sipane to kubantu abamnyama.
Now that's another thing king, where is the government in all of this? Why is however Emma voices la femme? Like are people governed or are people now governing themselves? Sesiphila vigilante like it's vigilante time now king. Yeah, government, like anyone who is in charge, king, who control the situation. Tilanze ma metro, tafika tawabeka lapha king. Like it's useless, dog. Like funeka ba decision. How do we solve this e-hailing issue na the taxi industry? See permanently. Isolve
ngibani ngifuna kuvela ukuthi isolve ngibani.
Ngisho kona king ukuthi ngabe sekude in government, like there's no government anymore. Bantu sesetendele this like we can actually go to the streets and because now ngala majita king sakhona kuvala abantu amise avala umgwaco anibali la khathe emotweni sinibangaki bayaphi laba bafuna ngala taxi uyabo sevigilantism leyo king, like which means people are not governed, people are governing themselves. The law sesibuyise etandleni tethu yabo and amajita king justify ama la maredo le redo run it busy ngayo these days. Justify ukuthi why itende lento tendako lungelo labo tinema permit tona so ukuthi into kufuna gibethe umuntu ngaphandle kwato emgwacweni. Like why is it
but ke king it goes back to lokho ukuthi mina ngiyabekisa king ukuthi asengisuka emafetheni ngithi ngakhatha ingcabule uyabona timbadada ngijustified in king mina ngingena ngiyoshisa i-boutique lethengisa amateki because bangebele ama-customer ngine-permit ngiyekuthengisa timbadada. Am I justified there noma
kunejele king ngakho justified? It's like king vele phela ukuthi ngeke sisho ukuthi ngeke upheke endlini ningasapheki etindlini tenu ngivula i-restaurant la and wonke umuntu ohanza kala pheka she said she said that's the
Hey,
thing, King. Basho njalo.
letho wena mlingane ngibuyisela kuna inkulumo lesake saba nayo ukuthi bantu labamnyama yabona.
Mrena Hlobo. Kwanyamalala, King.
Kimi kunyamalele wena King but sobuyile. Ngithi ngathi uthi lento wena mlingane ngibuyisela kunana inkulumo lesake saba nayo ukuthi bantu labamnyama King once wabanekwe mandlana lokuncane nje or whatever ngathi unekwe mandlana lokuncane nitawufoma.
Yeah, and in lemajita lang maskayibekisa ngale ma-text, King. Like ayithatha lento lena, King. Like uyabona ngathi like they own it, dog. Like bethe emahloni ngako like it's like we deserve this. It's ours. Sivala umgwaco. Labantu balayishelene ehlisa niyaphi. Ekuse King, it's up to the extent ukuthi ngisho umndeni wakho King langikhathi. Ngilayishe future King, ngilayishe bantwana la. 16 because sebakhona amajita. They take your car, uyoyilanza nga 3,000 rand. King, Solomon kude live lelikhulu elivelile. Kufika amasotsha mara afika basusa. But still wakuyisolve the problem permanent. Because atofika amasotsha atofika nakusasa amajita yabona.
Mina nginayo bafana i-solution le-permanent.
Yeah.
But ngeke nize niyithande nina yabona. So
yini ithini yakho King?
Mina i-solution yami King ithi kulungisela inkinga leti bafana. Kufuna uhulumende ashicilele imithetho yabona lecinile ukuthi wonke umuntu lokhona even kufuna abe nemvume yekuthi athenge isibhamu sekutivikela.
Yeah.
Yes. So ngisho ukuthini ke ngaloko King, ngisho ukuthi mina uma ngisemotweni yami yabona, ngisemotweni yami.
Yeah.
Kufika umuntu afuna kungehlisa emotweni yami. Phela imoto yami King is my castle ngoba ngithengele le moto, ufuna ngibe safe la motweni. La kufika umuntu afuna kungehlisa la motweni yami la. Ufuna ngibe nayo mina indlela yekutivikela King ngemandla. Uyabona? Kulo muntu loyo loto ngehlisa emotweni yami ngoba angadi ukuthi ungehlisa la ufuna kungendani lo muntu.
Yeah, ngiyayiva le part leyo King. But angisho egcineni konke
I think le part leyo ingasolve angiva King.
Ngiyayiva le part oyishoko. But inkinga yinye. Ufuna ukuthi sisolve lendwe lama-taxi nalamajita langa enango emakhumbi. I-hailing nalamanangizana ama-taxi ukuthi kube ne-leave lento eqhamuka from ukuthi bayisolva njani lento lapha ukuthi kuse lapha e-mall kungena abantu kanjani. Kufuneka abantu ngiyayiva leti bhamu vele lokho King wonke umuntu ufuna be-protected yabona masekugcelele amavinji wakhila ngisho nomthetho lapho. Once wafika emotweni yami lapho sizophula umthetho awubambi imoto yami. Once wafika ngikuhlahla inhlwavu.
Anike King mina ngishayela i-Bolt i-hailing nginale nhlaba sengikunika le solution King nesibhamu sami la motweni.
Angisho kufuna
anyone lotala ukuthi
yeah.
Anyone lotala motweni yami King without nangabe kungasile le customer kunento leshisako lekufuna dibane nayo. Ngile solution lengikunika yona mina King leyo. Because wena lo imele leyabombalule utawuthomba indishe eliplastic King. Noma leyabombalule utawuthomba indishe eliplastic.
But ekuseyabona ku South Africa King nyala ikho government. Monganaka especially period lena is this 3-4 months kune that thing ukuthi abantu ngathi sebatendela. Like everyone is I think bayeva ukuthi there's trouble in paradise. Kunenkinga lapha ku-ANC iyofa nje King ihlangene, so that's why abantu bayatendela nje imayitapani lona wenda inini lona yakhuluma press conference wakhuluma nge-ANC yakubo wakhulume kabi ngayo, not a problem. Like you don't and ngathi umuntu uyacampaign, everyone is campaigning and people King baluze faith kulento. Hey King satobona okuningi again ukuthi there's so much le comedy lesiyibukela because lena King stage play again. Why King theater? Sise theater siyabukela King characters King ayadlala.
Stage play with a lot of consequences King
was sparing no one King in the African countries. Most of these African countries King se theater. It's like ingena egroundini King yobukela ibhola usade score ukuthi kutabanga bani mawuphuma. That's how we are governed.
So
literally.
I think even the king South Africans kulesigaba lesi king kufuneka ayohlala phasi acabange ukuthi angena njani azabe nahulumende uyabona.
Siyobukela i-rugby king siyathi ukuthi kutaba nge-45 not. And kutawina bani.
But-ke
That's not
nawufuna king ungasishintsha le stage ungabukeli le game leyo. That's why ngithi mina ama-South Africans kufuna nyala decide mlingani ukuthi sitawina njani sibe nahulumende lo-solve inkinga le, because le nkinga leti king tinkinga letincane akusine nkinga lenkulu uyabona. Ungayisolva nje ngesipakatane here and there, like easy. But-ke mina lenkusho king ukuthi until kube nahulumende thula baphula umthetho king.
Oh yeah. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngathi kude nalo mthetho because njengoba ngikhuluma ngale situation esikhuluma ngayo king, good solution. Like nobody has the answer. Even the person who in charge about transport, like if they go to a taxi association king, bayibuta ukuthi khamba ithona ibhadla abantu labantu lokuya, like iyamangala kusibona kunema taxi abantu abavala abantu emgwaqweni behlisa abantu abakakusho ubona lokho. Kuye kubona bani lo nalo muntu king lo in charge government of transport ngathi wathi awukati naye, like sendani na ngibani so
asengibekise ke king, asengithi mina ngikuhulumende uyabona wase South Africa, ngiyabekisa. Iyaqala yavela challenge le ngigama ke parliament ngilegislator ukuthi uma kunasomatekisi or anyone associated netekisi thide lo tohlukumeta abantu ngalendlela A, B, C and D, leyo license yale taxi leyo ngiyoyirevoke. Ngicongitshele ukuthi bangaki abantu labangahlukubeta abantu ngalenzayo leyo, and ngifollow up share up king ukuthi if lo mholeli or lo mashela wale taxi association le ende lokho I'm revoking le license yalo mlamsebenzelayo. Ngicongitshele ukuthi kungachubeka kanganani lento leyo.
Ngasolva into etiningi king. Ngasolva into etiningi king, like instantly.
Easy.
Instantly.
But until we get there, I think abantu kufuna babe strapped king batotvikela.
Yeah, but king le route lento lena king vele ibuya from bad governance. Like most of these African countries king, people are governed kabi uyabona, and especially mangabe urely kulo hulumende king for day to day ukuthi kufanele ama decision etawusita wena. Uba nenkinga la Africa king, akusinje South Africa kuphela. Ila Africa le nkinga king. Once wamela ukuthi utosita ngulomuntu lapha lothi umkhethile wena democratically wamfaka lapha, umele ama decision akhe, kube kunama decision lawo latakwenda wena i-day to day yakho ibe smooth fuck as in Africa, because king kude asingayingani kude bohulumende e-Africa. Maybe bubani Botswana yini khona amavela benzile ubona ukuthi ayi mara nakhona yabalwa king, just a handful.
It's very few. I think king leyo senginga lekufuna ilungiswe ma-Africa, because yabona kunika African emandla nomlingani, kunika an African emandla kusibanga letinkinga. Ngifuna ukubekisela ngakutshela ngalendzaba king khona la ngike ngaya khona bengiyomikisa application lapha eMbabane, ngifuna ngi-applyela kuba ngithishela. Yebo ngifake i-shirt ama-short sleeve king, yakena ukuthi ngajika eGedeni
ne ngangena
ngijikiswa ngile security lapha eGedeni, ngingangeni king bathi ama-short sleeve akangeni lana nekuze ungena. Angikafiki ngisho nalena ku-secretary king, ngijikiswe lapha kule security. Inemandlana lenawo, inemandla ukungijikisa.
Yeah, and ngenteka vele isho baba ukuthi vele ngeke king nale khathi usitakale nzanga yethu ngcono ujike khona nyalo ungatoba disappointed, because kude kungiloko king and relieve lapho king. It's a machine, it's a country iyarana, you understand, and it's very those people are smart. Lela shayela umthetho lo uthi elifisha lifunakala usmart lo mfloyo king. Lo mfloyo king ufuna into decision ngelife yakho. Maybe you understand? Lo mfloyo decision ngelife yakho. Uphethe because of education nanani yabona. Like you need to know now from the Peketian king ukuthi lento vele ayikho. ubona lapho sendo yikho lena
kufuna ujike.
yeah king and lo mawungathi uyafika lenkhathi wamkhanza maybe agcokele hiya yena alivunulile ngiyakutshela king and u-right yena lapho yakena utheni u-right
nayo uvetile imkhono but uyabona ukuthi phela vele yabona mina mlingane vele lento ibuhlungu man because esikhathini esiningi bantu lababambela ama-position lawa lapha ema-ofisini abohulumende kanjani bantu labangayiqualifyeli le misebenzi lena like lo muntu uthathe tinkomo tababo wakhe wahamba wadizayina umsebenzi uyabona labanye mina-ke king uyangathi ukuthi nginabangani labathi ngikhukhuva uyabona like nababorofiti netinyanga nginabo labangani labantu laba ubakhanza lena king ababorofiti netinyanga bayafutha bayahlala bayaphalaza azaphalaze ngisho amathumbu uyabona uphalazela lesipani lesikuthi ufuna kuyosebenza akafuni kulamba nasesalapha ngekhathi king sasipana lo muntu akasafuni kwenda lesipani nawufika wena uthi utofuna iservice lengilo msebenzi wakhe uyabona kuba ngathi awuphili la nhloko ufikele ngasikhathi lesi kusela nje sekufuna udize manje king uyakhohlwa ukuthi waphalaza lo muntu waphalazela lo msebenzi lo
i-question ithi king uyawadi nomsebenzi wakhe nayo-ke le question
akawadi
uyawadi nomsebenzi wakhe ukuthi most of these people like ukuthi abawadi umsebenzi wabo that's why mina king eswatini ngito-respect abantu labadayisa laba maybe bo-waiter etitolo yabona labadayisa because uyawadi umsebenzi wakho uma ungena emnyango uyakuthatha ukunika litafula ukunika imenu ukunika inini lo muntu uyawadi umsebenzi wakhe king masikhuluma ngala-office lokhuluma ngawo king most of these cats abawadi umsebenzi wawo yakena the only thing la imele king inzambama ukuthi ashayise ka-30 uthi ahole and another thing king
nokuthi-ke andizise
akasibhayi ngale service lakunika yona it's not ukuthi akasibhayi ngiyakutshela like it doesn't care that's why
uyabona ukuthi labantu laba sebayilimete le image yenanga yale yahulumende because sesithi faith king ukuthi ngizothi ngiyofuna i-passport ngisidakale utele faith leyo king because uthi umile layinini sekungena umuntu phambi kwakho losakhokha imali yedrinki sekungena yabona vele man I think mina king lokunyela kutasita but ke mina lama solution amani wafuni yabona
like that's
kuke kwenteka king a movie in Steg ngifuna ukuchazela imovie kungena lomnye ngiyamadla OG because umakhelwane wami ungena lapha ka-water e-Steg uyabona uyofuna i-service thite la ka-water the person king lekufuna amnikele service ukhuluma tough uyabona
they always talk tough most of them because angathi king baba angathi usibona kanjani masebangale ukuqhuba benemandla masebangale kuwe le tafula
phela isenemali le out king yasuka lapho yathi okay since wena sistela wena muntu longale emva kwetafula ukhuluma kaso I'm gonna turn into Floyd Mayweather to make the situation better yabona
rather Floyd it
king
I rather Floyd this thing
yagucuka le out yagucuka king le out yabang Floyd Mayweather uyabona because utofuna iservice lo muntu la okay angisho ukuthi ku right king ukuthi utrape umuntu uyabona but ke ngidofuna iservice la kuwe lo bhadelelwe yona wahamba wayofutha king uyabona wahamba wayofutha wafutha lespan sasitholile lespan sengidocela ukuthi wonele lespan usite mina because mina ebengiyakwadi king ngangena ngale engima computer ka water ngiyakubhadalela whatever uyabona
sometimes it's not
right king
you understand sometimes it's not right king it's necessary and it maybe lo mjito ayidzinga le wake up call leyo most of these kids king they understand because maybe the guy needs something yabona he needs to wake up and now ngimfiksela wonke umuntu otolanzela emva kwami it's not for me I'm not doing this thing for me angumshayeli mina sengendela wonke umuntu otolanzela emva kwami ukuthi akhanzele isito likhona la because ngathi kuyadlalwa.
And guess but buka King sekudegrade le building yahulumende lo phela lokuthi sengitrap umuntu inside the federal building.
King, and you know ukuthi ungathi the thing.
Yeah, King, I'm ready. Like lana King anu njengoba usho ukuthi sengilungisa le department le ngindela ukuthi umfana wami kusasa nakathi ufuna lisito asitakale noma ngingaboshwa mina uyabona. But this department I fixed it uyabona. Kunemaswati King latota emva kwami lamanenge latositakala because mina personally sengilungisile le nkinga. I remember King you once said a story eNazarene. Bukhona tinto lowakwalungisa. Can you touch on that story, King?
Deep kanjani King, deep kuningi lengakwenda ngisafunda isikole kuse.
Bekuna security King lo beka notorious lapha egedini Nazarene ngibabala.
Ngile ngasharisha le story khona la le cephu lesinato letho King ukuthi umzizi King kwendekani. This cats King uyakena ukuthi power. Ngilabona phela mina ngilakaqala kubona khona ukuthi hayibo. Because this guy ucashele ukuprotecta mina. And mina lenye inkinga lenginayo King ukuthi why ungafuni ukuthi esikolweni ngente njani? Ngijike ekhaya ngolala. Because why singangena esikolweni siyisolve le? And to display King ukuthi vele it's not about, it's just power. Uzama ukungikhombisa ukuthi ninemandla kunami. That was the thing because when ungavuma isingena esikolweni mina nawe so you ungibambe ungimise kule authority leto khona ukuthi mina nawe sikhulumelene. Akeke usite ukuthi mina uthi ngangena esikolweni then what ngimangangena. Ngihambe ekhaya ngolala. Lo mfudam from the decision ayendako and ngiloko ngiyamfida mina sekusebona ukuze usilemo sisolve asambe se-office kumtshali because vele ngibalekile ngiyakwathi lokho why wena ufuna ngingangeni la esikolweni because ngiyabhadala phela ngifunze ngene njani yena njengekhaya ngitshela abatali bami hayi akafuni mthithi, you understand like these kids King like they say angadi mfethu angeke ukuchazele ukuthi
anike ungisecurity lapha egedeni King, which means usiphathimandla uyabona ungumnini mandla onke umbethe amandla njengengubo lo muntu King.
So yabona ukuthi sometimes King yabona most people abanemandla shothi King badam because bende le power kuba ngiyo le bende lema decision akusabi i-common sense le decision kuba ngiluthi mina ngimi lophethe labantu laba yabona ngiloko lokwenza le decision akusi common sense ukuthi phela kuyingoti mazingena la majust awungena emandini lana sitawuncwila asingahambi lana sihambeni la ngile power lana.
That's why ke King mina ngifisa ukuthi ngawamrebuke uyabona like physically rebuke him khona atohlonipha labanye King lefuna bangene ngala because umfana nakonile esikolweni King kunema channels okumdiscipline uyabona.
King bekutangmonqoda fair bekutangmonqoda King bekutangfohlota
bekutangfohlota King but wena bo plugged in King bekatawutfutsa stegi that's a fact.
Lapho King shothi bese kufuna bese ngisibhaya yabona because phela besisibhaya khumbula katheni besibhaya uzekusena ngilanze bobani speaker ngewulunga ntwana yabona but bekutangishaya ngibulala phela bekukhulu ya ngale ndawo King nalokunye bathi kuna Fandam beligede lelingale leligede le hostel
ngiyamkhumbula mfana yes ngiyamkhumbula
Fandam ngale King kubambe boBhamali nabo nabophephisa ukubamba embhamali phephisa mangifika mina ngale ngedown ngikhanzela yasimbayani phela sekho sikhamba ngale gede lelo masiqhamuka King sezifikisele lapha kuphuma abantwana base primary buka ke King ukuthi kuyababani to think about this thing King yabona ipower yatriphisana secabanga kusekuyababani King office bokwenza the right thing sekuyathine labantu lababalekile itolo esikolweni now we are the ones King lesebaya office sebayoconfronta mjudge sekuse chief sibalekile itolo lethi gejane takho siyashaya legedeni siyakuchazela ukuthi baba why ningasimingisi kumtshali thina udila ngathi lamajile sesashaya legedeni sicela kubuza ke thisha mtshali ukuthi la esikoleni abantu sibabhadalela ini thina baholelela ini ukuthi batrape thina noma you understand bababitha mtshali bacoshwa labanye probation ekuse sabona ngasho ngathi ngiyabuka lamajile libele njani nawo this is dumb shit why ungenzi the right thing I think bona ukuthi labafana ngeke basihlule labafana laba sifuna bakhombisa thina hey awusendi umsebenzi wakho ke lapho King so wenda ipower seyipower lekwenta isaloko yabona
Yeah, ungabakhombisa King ngakho ebaleni, but emsebentini kunemithetho yokusebenza King. Kuthi phela lana usebenza ngebantfu. Na usebenza ngebantfu usebenta A, B, C and D nebantfu. Neke nje bese songena wena ngandlovu yangena. Kunika that's why vele emandla wena mlingani. Ngihlale ngisho mina ukuthi emandla adzinga kuphakulwa because bathi usemandla ayahlanyisana enhloko.
Yeah, King, because bantu abaningi ey'kona vele
There's a
King.
there's a I don't know if you've ever heard of the Stanford prison experiment. La bathatha ama-volunteer King bawufake ejele yabona.
Yeah, oh yeah, ngiyayikhumbula le experiment leyo.
Athi nasesala jele bathi lamanye mabogazi labanye tiboshwa. Bathi usilabantu labogazi King bagcine ba-abuser letiboshwa if kude imithetho.
Yeah, bagcine babhiliva futhi ukuthi bona bangagadi mbala.
Ugcina ubelieve that's why ngithi mina I think isipakatane wena King kunenge lesingakulungisa
Yeah,
in life day to day because bantfu benta tintfo without ama-consequences uyati.
yeah, but King, I think kufuna sigcine sifike kule level akhona siyisolvile lento forever ukuthi kuse leni problem lesinayo because ngeke sikhone ukuphila siloku sibrusha around yona King. Silonza lesi kufuna sisilaphena sifake let's face the truth. You understand? One, iphawu yasihlula singena njani ukuthi sikhone because sisho ukuthi siyohlala sikuloop King. Uyabona mayiphela phinde it's just the same play. It's useless to even talk. Uyabona because vele
Yeah,
site lutho King.
but mina lelibhandishi lami wena King lithi uma lo muntu angicaphata la office ngimtrapa.
Yeah.
That's a temporary solution elibhandishi akusiyo le cure yabona. But uma ngimtrapa King lo muntu angicaphata aneka sabacaphata labanye because soyati ukuthi nawucelela abantu bakutrapa. Lana ucashelwe kwenza umsebenzi wena lo msebenzi. Uyabona?
Ngiyakuva lapho King.
Because phela King okay mina ngisuwumnumzane yabo but kunabanumzane King labayabo lapha bawufuna ama-services. Cabanga umnumzane sodlala ngaye nje
Yeah, so
ngakuthi wena umelapha efastelweni kufuna ndlule kuwe.
yeah, King elijikela lishet King and lapho umebuhlala kalo mahasha. Funa ukhipha 150 vele kungcono 20 uye lapha bathini ka-Top Pass King uthole iskipa mangabe unako kwa-R5 mangabe uthathe le mali bothi uzothenga ama-fertilizer ayi-5 kaThandoro uyothenga leli shirt phela. Because kude esitaweni enjalo. Ka-Top Pass King ukhona ujike
But ngiyabekisa ke King ukuthi la mhlabeni bantu abaningi labenta izinto serious. Ngifuna ukubekisela nganawe umfana ngubani Zuckerberg lwa Facebook.
Yeah.
Lo mfana lo angengcondo yakhe King wenta izinto heavy wakhanikapane ti heavy yabona nanyalo wenta izinto heavy ufaka tikipa letimfisha uyabona. Why? Because lokudzingeka lapha nangiya ka-education King ngithi ngiya-from 7 wongithishela kudzingeka le ngcondo yami nalo lwati lolu ngcondweni yami uyabona. In fact noma ngide tandla letinyawo ngingafundisa because lo kumcoka ngilolwati nale ngcondo kuthi ngifake linashe elifisha ukangitshela ahead of time ukuthi ukhokha inotice ukuthi
angisho King lokushisha, you understand? You've gotta feel lesser. You've gotta feel less. You understand? You cannot come here and utshela ufunzile wena mfana. You've gotta feel less. You're less of a man. Kufana nani King? Kufana usuke uyohlehla, usuke uyabutheka lapha. Ufuna umsebenzi manje uyabutheka. Uyabona? Ungatsheli nje ukuthi ngakho la shit lamafika. Na. Not here. So kufuna
mina King ngwalapha esiteki nangifuna kubutheka ngidaya elibhongolweni noma le emntwini wenkosi ngiyobutheka khona neke mina ngibutheke la ngiyo-aplayela khona umsebenzi ngibuthekiswe ngumuntu yabo. That's why ukuthi ngiyathola ukuthi ebele security loya ngamkhuda man but sengibuka back nje ebengamela King nakaphuma la msebentini yabona.
It's not like beka wrong lo mjita King abalifuni mbamba leli shirt lenkhazi lelifisha Ken bebatakujikisa vele nkhazi.
Yeah.
yena bekaku-aletha nje
Uyabona
King
ukuthi siyakhashana.
ngathi mfana utojika vele.
But ebengamela naphuma emsebenzini ngamkhuda, maybe bekade afike kusasa abatshele the police bebathi ayishintshe.
Usho seyishintshile nyalo King?
Abantu angimkhudako phela King, ashintsha kanjani?
Nyalo sesigcoka bengigcoka isigcoko ngesikhathi ngikwenza i-passport yami. Baningi
Yeah, maybe seyishintshile. But maybe khona ke lokwa because lento lena man King kufuna sathi man nasi kulama positions epower ukuthi sitoseva abantu lapha. Ebese nesikhathi bengidawungena deep ukona King ukuthi but aneke angiyeke la ngifuna sanje usiнаsilapha uhulumende usithumile ukuthi sitoseva abantu nawutosebenza ebhange lelo bhange lelo likuthumile ukuthi utoseva abantu manje ebhange ethu sine confusion King kuthina konke ukuthi uyangena ukhanze thela nge-security ukhanze security ngithela nge-security lo sokubuta ukwayibona lento leyo
ngeke ubute lutho King, it's just happening, it's just random things happening. That's why King akusafuneki uthuke nyalo. Oh okay, sikule memoranda le angisho ngitshela wena King masiqale liqedwe leli ukuthi King i-theater, it's a stage play.
But King ngathi sikuyangithusa na King because mina nginehlobo elinenge lama security ngiyathanda futhi uyabona and ngiyathi ukuthi i-security ibhadalwa ngibani. Why ukuthi King nangithi nge-F_N_B ngiyokhuluma indzaba yemali yami sekungena i-security lebhadalwa ngibani kefana ngikadalet uyabona because mina lo mjita loyo King ngikade ukuthi if kukhona simo lesenta kube bede kuphepha labhange nguye lekufuna asukume abuke lesimo leso uyabona
akangenelani nawe.
Why umjita loyo sakufuna ukuthi sibayam-abuse phela King nasesangibude amaphepha because sosebenza overtime umsebenzi lo ngasiye umsebenzi wakhe.
Yebo. And do you know ukuthi most of the skills King baba dedicated lo msebenzi ongasiwabo more than lo msebenzi wakabo, because angisho nyalo King
uyafika King
ufike lapho wena ufuna amaphepha inini King nani kusho yena lo mjita, but mangafika boheqe bafike bashisa inhlavu uyakena ukuthi wena naye lo mjita lo benibhacile ebathroom noyi-2 mara lo mjita lo ashwele ukuthi wena to protect wena mara lesibhamu lesikhalile ngephandle le. Now kufuna bese that's why King ulukhuni mangifika eMswazi King kuba lukhuni for mina kena especially ePitoli or kuhlala. That's why kufuneka kube ne-interaction lapha, kufuneka kube nabo-J sibe sonke uyabona kube mnandi, otherwise once kuningi King lofika ukuthi hayibo lokhu akusiko chief uyabona, but samhlukumeza wena yabona abafana laba abafana laba bazelele uyabona ukuthi but still again King it comes to show ukuthi bantu sebalimele engakanani uyabona, like i-misinformation ngepower nje King. Yakela ama-security King kumnandi njani kuthe phela kwesipande ngicabanga ukuthi isigrand leso King ushaya irawundi uyagaza ukuthi kude abantu bafuna kude inini kude umumvu lo nangizana yabona kude lo phethe ibhamu uyabasesha uma bathi kuyasesha umnyango kuloko nje umsebenzi wakho uphinde uhlale esitulweni ubheke etulu ugade ubuke mangabe kunamakhamera. That's a job dog, it's the nicest job ever on earth. Why ufuna uhlukubeta ngikufuna amaphepha kimi? Why ubhuda why babhoda phela hey you just want to do you just want to do extra.
Uhlunyettwa ngiletle iquinte lapha ebhange King itimendisa extra because atifuni kusebenza umsebenzi wakhe. Tifuna kuhlala ku-Twitter ngesikhathi lekufuna ngathi sebenza ngakhona uyabona. King ngathi sikwate kakhulu sesikhuluma ngetinto ethu positive King again. Asikhuluma ngalokhu positive King yini lokubonile.
Ngifuna ke South Sudan King. Ngiyobona nje ukuthi live kanjani.
Ubonene South Sudan.
Ngibona ngathi kunama-honeys King, like charcoal bushelele abaflyer. There's flyer.
Lapha kunabantwana bahle uyabona mlingana ngifuna ukuyeka bahle labantwana balapha.
Lamave oSouth Sudan ahlupheka kakhulu amave King. Mawubuka leti thombe lamavidiyo yini nje idolobha elikhulu lapha eSouth Sudan.
Angiyati bafana ngingafuna ngingena sengilibuke online.
Thombe leSouth Sudan
boDarfur.
Uthi indzawo lengichazile mangibuka ngathi hey lana King laba ngasibadla abantu laba. La kufanele kubuye ube yimili. Uye South Sudan uyofuna umfati King wabuya umshibo.
Hawu wasekunobuku kusejuba. Yeah, i-capital kusejuba.
Sikhona stairs.
Senginobuka. Ngathi kukhonjani king?
Double story lapha e-capital yabo king noma hey kwe-heart kwetshani because lamavela
Manengi king, manengi ama-double story.
Shuthi ufuna athi lule king ayelapha ayobona ukuthi ngaba ngamfola yini ngokudala.
Ya ufike lapha ejuba king. So ucabanga ukuthatha umfati e-South Sudan.
Nje kunokuthi king ufuna ukuthi ilule mayindvodza king ubuke ukuthi ngumuphi lo mfunako because konke kuhle. Yabo njengala ngantuli ngalabo north. Hhayi ngala north kuyacaca king. And sesekhona king nale nhlonipho ungathi mhlambe ukuthi ngikhashane ngiyatiyenga but ngathi sesekhona lokuthi nje indvodza yabona.
Yathi uthi nala Afrika leseningizimu lenhlonipho ikhona king but ikhona na unemali kufuna ube nemali.
Uyayibona-ke king inhlonipho le i-conditioner exactly ngiyibonile video yale ntwana lena what's this place? Ngiyibona into ku-Facebook lena. Lo mkhithi ngathi kushuthe dubule cherry wako yini or kumnqume ngemukhwa ku-live on Facebook something like that. Uyibonile i-story?
Ngiyakubona.
South Africa king angathi uma kuse-Cape Town noma i-Joburg but komtshida king kunqume cherry wako king.
Ngike ngasiva le story leso man, ngathi ngike ngasiva somewhere.
Uyabona ukuthi sekalimele kakhulu inhloko I think that's madness bro. Nale idea ukuthi nje i-cherry yaba yakho ngathi uyayi-owner it's like ngathi ngumvu wakho like niggas have to
Info le wrong.
akusiyo umvu wakho loya akusiyo umvu wakho ukuthi understand
Info le wrong man angathi yathi uthi mina king ukuthi sasiphinde sikhuluma into negative man but mina ngekufisa kwami mina mlingane ngifisa ngathi singafundisa emadvodza ala Afrika.
Yeah.
Kuthi kushaya umfati nekubulala umfati akubukele phasi njenge-cannibalism yabo kudla abantu ubuzima. Kube yinto lenyanyeka nje kangaka ukuthi ngathi kuyanyanyeka kushaya umfati man.
Because kuse king and ukuthi kuse okay let me say uyambulala whatever uve buhlungu nanani. Why should we do it live on Facebook? Now it brings me back kulento king ukuthi abantu abaningi especially emalokishini king besikhuluma ngayo yona bomzambia lento ukuthi out maybe asengithi king ngil-26 ngihambe ngoshaya score sa 1 million si3 you understand. Ngatiwa kahle kasi ukuthi mina king ngiwasha imoto eKawash. Everybody knows sling uwasha imoto eKawash but tolo king shaya score. Cha ngijiwe khona ekuseni. Why? You understand? Is that mentality ukuthi I wanna be seen? Like kufuna siphoke king ukuthi social media king seyikwento engakanani lento leyo ukuthi people wanna be seen. Like why kulelo muntu ushute live? What's that need for validation ukuthi abantu babone? Like king lento lena king yakutshela mina it's a problem. It's a problem lenkulu king.
Asiphume king kulento lena man i-negative.
It's just in the situation esiphila kuyo king i-negative. Yeah,
i-negative man. I-negative because i-content wena king bantu abamnyama i-content ne-cloud uyathi ukuthi king bantu labanengi na ungathi akakhethe between kuba ne-cloud ngiyabekisa akakhethe between kuba na 100,000 ema-likes online na 100,000 emarandi. Uyathi uthi line lemarandi king ungakhanza kuna 5 wabantu lela 100,000 rand. Le line la 100,000 likes king. Ama likes bantu. A lot of people yonke into kufuna ayikhombise. Kunabo-cherry king namuhla labajolako bajola namajito labangawathanzi. Bajolela i-content. Awungiva kahle king.
Anguva phinza. Repeat yourself. Uthini?
Kunabo-cherry king labajolako namuhla nemajito labangawathanzi yabona.
Bajolela ini?
Bajolela ukuthi lo mjita uba afforda i-opportunity yokuthatha i-content le-fly yabona. Bashuthe allegedly fly. Bashuthe basejozi, bashuthe basespare yabo, bashuthe
Facts. Sadly.
And he has to live with nemuntu langamthanzi king for ema-likes and clicks yabona.
You have to kiss the frog for likes and clicks. Ngathi line I have to put it in my song. Some people had to kiss the floor for likes and clicks.
King, phela kunama-cheat ekusebekena King ukuthi a-miserable ajurane ema-cherry lawo endabe miserable athathe ama-loan ede imali because lo cherry King une-aesthetic thide muhle uyabona utamenda ema-likes online yabona le nto lena but-ke King
it's a new disease.
Angathi bafana manje ngifuna ngathi singakhuluma ngento enye positive lesike sayibona yini inanki King into positive lokwayibona kule viki lenhle nje lekahle
into lenhle lekuyibona leviki ngizintwana yami idlala ibhola bathi blind ngebhola so kwaba ngilo sesimathime thina King and mina ngathi ngihlala endlini ngisipana ngisendlini so kude ngathi and tonke into otibona online what most of these things are negative bro. That's why mvu ngathi kufanele deactivate bu Facebook nanani because into let's le memory yakho King yonke into le front end yale ngcondo yakho King ongayicabanga ngilele negative uqeda uyibone outshisa ichere yayo intwana yami blind ngebhola uyogcina ukhohlwa uyabona Andre.
Hey, bro, that's right. Except funa encourage le ntwana King ukuthi inang idlala i-disc more. Yabo, we need to encourage that.
Story shy 2 amagoli.
That's well.
Which means that's a positive. That's a positive.
That's beautiful. Like say, that's very beautiful, King. Mina yinto le nhle lengiyibonile lengiyitnessile man these days. Uyabona vele.
Yabona
No, kude King. Ngifuna no asengisho King ukuthi ngwitness ukuthi mahle machera kangwane King.
Yeah, mahle King. Especially Stegi.
Into nebantwana labahle King especially Stegi.
Stegi nyalo sikhathi ngishaya around nyalo egcinene Eswatini King lelo ngibona Stegi King I knew that was the moment he knew get fucked up. Bahle labantwana.
And Stegi is authentic King. Ngathi uthi Stegi King isinabantwana labahle labagcobise bo Vaseline. Wayigcina nini lento leyo King?
Yeah King qobisa glazerina nje kuphela and hit the streets.
Bahle bo Stegi isinabantwana bahle King. Yeah, Stegi inginga Stegi labantwana base Stegi bagane amacaba man.
Angisho lento King lesiyibona lembabane thina King le gcokela ama makeup nanani yabona. Sicabanga ukuthi it's the flyers it's not dog not bathu banje ngibuza nje imbabane mekubadla kahle yabona bayijwayele what and what in the morning yabona Stegi umbane uvuka ngencwangu nana I think ngiko lokubenta babehla imbabane lobuhle
imbabane King
yeah
nale weather I think nalabo cheese labathengiswa latolo kubombabane bana something again like lehlukile because ngathi ukuthi nami King nangihlala embabane maybe kweliviki ngiyashintsha ngihlubahluke somehow.
Yeah, kusetulu lapha entsabeni yabanza lapha shothi maybe for the skin it's okay but nje lobuhle lobuningi once you investigate kahle uyabona ukuthi bu-engineered bu-chemically engineered it's chemically engineered beauty uyabona ukuthi lo mntwana King
I think tinfo letinengi let authentic kangwane King tisuka Stegi.
Yeah, uyabona ukuthi lo King mongomfaka emanti lo i-house pipe ungaphuma nalomunye umuntu
somfakelane manje King ngoba nebantu muhle.
Angisho khona
sometimes ngiyadinga ukubona labo nje wena uyahlupha King so sekuhluphe kuphi wena
kuyayihlupha King because ekuseni King ngikuvuka ngalali naye itolo so now that thing is violating my rights because it is not you that I wanted. Ngubani wena?
Okay phela kufuna ukuthekele letinto letimele abengileni for uyijabulelako uhlale endlini yakho.
Kona Stegi King hayi that's the truth mfana we still have something.
Yeah, Stegi is authentic. Stegi sikahle sishiphile. Yathi ukuthi ne-content game Stegi into engichazako like kunemijolo lese authentic Stegi leminye because
King asinaye ngani mfana Stegi ngena
isikole khona King isinale ability ekuba Gomora uyabona
like King angisho ngiyakutshela pick and pay you just pick any then you pay but nje lokungichazile ukuthi King we still have kahle nanani but Stegi King don't be fooled by the beautiful words we're uttering here Steak king can be anything you want it to be. Right? Follow you ebusuku. Steak king can be anything I promise you. It's the only place king mengiphile kuyo mina king lena 5 emasizini elifini yakho ngeliviki. The 5 season. Monday you were in, Tuesday somebody robbed you, Wednesday you did the robbing, Thursday Thursday Sunday you've got a very peaceful day. No, everyone is peaceful, bro. Everybody is respectful and anything. That's steak, bro.
phinde kunamachito la crime futhi steak. I think amachito lamaningi la crime kangwana sa steak.
Soft steak. But if the thing is steak at king is the extremes. That's the only thing that Louis steak that is the thing. It's taking much the crime. They're extremely crime. They mean it. They're extremely
Naka
crime.
soft phinde.
Soft king is just soft. It's the softest nigga I've ever seen. It's nice.
Hey, but mina into lengiyayise ngesteak ngevele abanye bakhuluma basho king bathi lapha uyaba selayinini emfatini wakhe steak.
Unpack leyo king.
Sengiyasho king ukuthi nonke niselayinini lapha. Yeah, there for the prize. Kuyenteka wena advocate ube number 1 usually wena uba number 1 ukuthi icingo lakho alirejectwa nguwe lone access ekucala etinhlelo letiningi yabona. But ikhe kwenteka king kuchamuke lenye member likwecelele libe number 1 wena ukhansi number 3 emfatini wakho uselayinini kuthiwa ngene elayinini babe. Ngene elayinini yabona.
Yeah, so bakumengela.
Uyakuncengancengisa emfatini wakho yabona. Ubambela elayinini king. Kufanele ube number.
Ngiyakhumbula king kunetinkhulumo etinjalo steak ngathi iningi leyo underground leyo. Nalomunye king lebesifunza naye. Basinaye bamhudula ngalenye indlela steak.
Allegedly.
Ngalenye indlela ngithi mina ngeke loyo. He was the greatest of the all time. Bathi hawu lo slingi ngodeni mfana lo mntwana bamhudula. Uyabona nje ukuthi lento king. That's why I'm saying singakhuluma kahle so ngesteak likasteak ngikukhona kuningi. But king yahudulwana steak. You might be dragged.
Bamhudulana sekwene njani?
Bamhudula king. Wonke umuntu ofikako nje angahudula king. Yabona. So king is scary. It's very scary. And mova labantu laba king bakutshela already ukuthi bamhudula inini yabona. Abayibeka ubeka ngathi nasty lento king. Kanti king we really need abantu abatohudulwa. Yabona. And akekho wrong. Ngeke si morally because morality abantu bahlukile because nalabantu abazi immoral kubo yabona maybe bakholwa maybe nini. But sometimes king is about saying we need those people that are easy. Again, we need bantu aba easy king. And as much as we need a business yasestradini king, we need those sisters. There are many things that save our yabona. Ngamaningi ma-crime nema-violence osister labo labakwendako yabona. But king mawuvala umshita axoxela king ngendlela bamamhudula. Ushaya uluvalo king ngathi into le-nasty ngalenye indlela. But maybe abanye abantu king bakhele ukuhudula.
Wena utakubophise. Allegedly. Yabona. Steak 5 king.
King bese baba most cases king amajita king mabahudulelwe maybe out find out bayihudulele king ngilakhona ukhanza amajita lamaningi king sekakele Louis V.
Kanjani? Yini Louis V?
Ngiyacetha ngawe. Ngizofuna ukucetha ngawe king emuthi. Ngifela ukuthi ngiyawa-advise amajita king.
Unesikhwama.
Ngiyawa-advise amajita king ukuthi they must restrain for these behaviors ekudlula abantu bebantu. Because some guys king baleta ikhwama ama-Louis V bag. Yeva yini kunemithi la.
But king uyathi ukuthi noma banala amabhege king etikhwama. Sometimes uyathi ukuthi umuntu umhudula ungathi lokuthi ngumuntu wemuntu.
Hey, kurare manje lamalanga lawa king.
Mina king on
tell you something.
Angathi uthi ngingafo.
I'll tell you something sadly. Yabona mina King, my mind akhathi ngitshela makwa future. My mind by the
King ngayi lapho.
no, King. Lana ngitokhuluma ngisho. My mind by the time King beka kumede wami angisho. That was my mind at the time. But after yena King, I knew very well. Like my mind, ngayifaka kuma settings good umvo wakho wethu. And I made peace with it.
Umuntu wakho umuntu wethu.
Yeah, and I made peace with it. Ukuthi ingisustain till today King ukuthi kuthi event lengangaba kuyo King akwazi ngibona kuma front news King ukuthi ngende in. Akwazi ngibona kuma front news in any way possible. Akwazi ngibona kuma front news King ukuthi ngithethe ukuthi I took it, I decided to leave. Uyabona? And akwazi uvuka kuma front news ulele yena ngathi bro, you understand? And I'm peaceful. Mina uma ngekho anginankinga King ukuthi wendani la khona it's her. Uyabona? Angumown akasi maka decide ukuthi ufuna kuba kimi ngefa. Kudos to that. But mangabe King utafika hudulo le. Kudos to that too.
Kakhulu King man. Sitazisona bafana asihocisa lendzawo. Sitawubuya manje eyothi balaleli bethu abasicolele manje ngakungena nge-anger. Ukuthi sometimes vele uba frustrated manje wena mlingane. And kufuna ukuthulule le frustration because ukhanze ukuthi baningi abantu abana frustration lonayo nawe.
Yeah, King kude ngeke mina King ngifake le mic lena King ngikhulume nawe lana ngithi sizokhuluma nge-comedy or sifuna sikhulume nge-reality King. Things that happen on the ground. It's not like yabona, this is our platform, it's a free platform. Yabona, umvumo ngabe King khona inkinga lanayo kakhuluma ngale sitamfaka ngayisho lento kucala mos. But ke kude umlomo offendile.
Usangena to defend.
But kude umlomo offendile. Kusebenini magenge vele.
Makeng.
Yeah.
Ngiyaconnecta noMachita kulamalanga. Anibengitohele ngasekhaya these days, so benginaso isikhathi connecta Machita. Machita khona ayathrive akuse. And kusebusika Machita ayahudula. I'm sure ukuthi ayahudula because kusebusika.
Makhuluma njanje khona Ibrahim King le very talented ngehudula. King ayimhudulo omkhulu yeah. Like no one in our friend group King lo standard supreme.
Nohudula njengaye.
Yeah, he's the master of drag. He's the master of drag.
Machita a skilled and a talent you can.
Yeah, King, it's a rare skill. It's a rare skill. Yeah.
But Machita appeal like sir. Good, bengathi nethi ube sinetfombi bengathi netfombi eyaphila manje kude but nesesenza King sekude intfombi lesinalo.
Yeah, wena King wenza wangifaki mina edokana ngolomo. Don't combine us both.
Hayi no, sitawubonana emlekane.
Izake sebe khona inkinga King.
Yeah.
Fire
King.